Greetings. I'm John Alston with the New Haven Fire Department. I want to thank the committee for allowing me to present this new course to you. It's called What's on Your Mind? The Incident Commander's Mindset. With all of the information and technology that we have at our hands, responding to the various incidents that we deal, what are you thinking about? What are you focusing on? What are your observations? And how is that going into your immediate action plan based on your pre-plan, your standard operating guidelines, and what you're being presented at that scene? No matter what the response is, we're an all hazards response agency. How are you synthesizing and processing that information? The incident commander's mindset is most important. I'm going to be here to talk to you about it. I hope you come out and check out the course in April at FDIC and Women in Fire. Both presentations. What's on your mind? I'd love to talk to you about it.